Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to sew this beautiful cowl neck top. Thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Near Signature. Today's tutorial is beginner friendly and very easy to make, and this dress is not time consuming. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you must have cut and sewed this top. If this is what you're interested in, please grab your chair, sit down and do not forward this video. So the measurement that you need for this top is your neck circumference, then the depth of the neck, then the length of the top. So as you can see in the video, for you to get the depth of your neck, you have to place your tape at one end of your neck, then dangle it down and place it on the other side. So the next thing you are going to do now is to take the circumference of your neck, that is the round neck, as you can see in the video. So that are all the measurement that you need. Then also you just go ahead and place your tip at the shoulder, then measure it down to where you want your top to end. Okay, so that is the length of the top. So this is the fabric I'm going to be using. It is crepe fabric, very light fabric. Okay, so you can use chiffon, you can use dushes, you can use bridal satin. It all depends on you, as long as the fabric is soft. So the next thing I did was to fold my fabric into two. I took the length of the top, which is 24 plus sewing allowance, then also the depth, the neck depth that we measured that time, it was 35, so I added 1 inches for sewing allowance. So that is what I did. So when you see my fabric like so, I have folded it into two. That's why I measured 18. So 18 plus 18 will give us 36. I hope you understand. That's for the depth of the neck. So what I'm going to do right away now is to fold all the four edges like so and conceal the rough edges. Ensure you fold all the rough edges. That's both the neck depth and the length of the top. Fold every part and sew it. This is how it looks after concealing all the four sides of the fabric. Remember, it's a straight fabric and it's rectangular in shape. Okay, so I've concealed the rough edges by folding it in. Then you can see this long strip here. This is for the neck. I went ahead to fold my fabric into two, which gave me 2 inches. You can make yours 1.5. So, and I use the neck circumference like I showed you in the video. You measure the round neck of your client, so whatever it gives to you, you just add half an inch to it. So you can see now I went ahead to fold it into two. Then what next am I going to do now? I'm going to mark the middle point of it like so. Okay, so this full length is the circumference of my client. So at this edge, I'm going to sew it down. This other edge, I'm going to sew it down. So at the middle part, I'm just going to measure that place that I marked as the middle. So at this side, I'm just going to measure 1.5 inch at one side. Sorry, 4.5 inch. Then at the other side, also 4.5 inch. Then after the 4.5 inch, I'm going to take 0.75. Then also at the other side, after the 4.5, I'm going to take 0.75. So I'm just going to sew from the 4.5 inch to meet the other 4.5 inch. Then I'm going to leave the space, that 0.75, then continue sewing down to that edge. Okay, so I sew to this edge, then I leave this space again, then I sew and I sew this other way. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope you understand. If you do not understand, watch the video again. So I'll go ahead and sew it and show you how it looks after sewing. So this is how it looks after sewing. So I'll just go ahead and use one of the opening. Remember, it is of two openings. So I'll just turn the fabric to the right side by passing it through just one of the openings. So that's what I'm going to do right away. So you have to be patient doing this. Okay, you can use something tiny to just turn it, then turn it to the right side and drag the fabric out, and the other edge try to bring it out also. Okay, so I've brought it out and this is how it looks. I'm going to give it a good press so that it will come out well. So endeavor to bring out the edges. Okay, so this is how it looks, and this is the opening. Can you see? Look at the other opening. I hope you understand. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to bring the fabric. I'm going to pick that side that I cut 36. That's the neck depth, not the length of the the top, the neck depth. And I've explained the neck depth for you. So you pick one of the edge, you place it at the inside the opening. Can you see? Place it inside the opening. Okay, then you pick the other side of it and put inside also and fix it inside. I hope you understand. You remember the depth of my neck depth of this top is 36. So I went ahead to place one of the edge starting from inch 1 down to, then I place that inch 1 inside, then I place the 36 inside. I hope you understand. So I went ahead to sew it. So this is how it looks. Can you see? This is how it looks. So the dress is almost ready. So what I'm going to do now is to pick the other end of the fabric of this top, and I'm going to sew just my belt there. Can you see? Just go ahead and sew belt there. Then this other side, also place it and sew your belt there also. And that is the end of the sewing and cutting of this beautiful top, and I'll be placing it on dummy for you to see. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Another thing is that for the neck, you have to put a either press button or hook at the neck so that you can hook it at the end of the neck. Okay, the collar at the neck, you have to put hook, okay, or pressing button, or you can put button, put loop and then add your button. Thank you for watching the video to the end. This is how it looks. See you in our next tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post video. I post video every week. Drop your comment in the comment section. See you.